video is brought to you by carhuddle.com, the free online car show directory. Today's video is not coming from a car show, it's coming from the 350Z. I'm going to find some tunnels to listen to my new exhaust. Now it's a 3-inch straight mid-pipe with twin back box, cat's back and 5-inch tips. And I'm with DDM Historics, who's behind me in his decatted Audi RS4 Avant. And we're going to make some noise. And it is raining, but I have got the roof down because I can hear the exhaust a little bit better with the roof down. It's still just as bad or as good with the roof up. Only car enthusiasts drive to a tunnel just to make noise. No one else does something like that. It's a really weird thing if you think about it. Let's drive so we can drive. Yeah, that's great. Most people just go from A to B, but we go from A to B as well, but we have fun doing it. This is where every enthusiast goes to test out their new exhaust. Can we go first? Yeah. There he goes. It's David. I can't hear mine at all. Right, here we go. So round two, I've put a camera on the back of David's car because David's car sounds out of this world. It's completely ruined my time because I'm trying to listen to my nice new exhaust and David's car sounds like nothing else. It's ridiculous. That's what straight pipes does. But this sounds incredible. It's a lovely tone. It's not too tinny. It's a little bit drony when you're cruising, but that doesn't matter. Not really. So we're going to go back through the tunnel again and get some more sounds. you go. One more time. In the world is like that, and I taste the fumes from our two cars. I think it's now time to find some slightly smaller tunnels to get some more confined echoes. That's a good idea, I think. Small tunnel that goes underneath the road that we've just come from, and that's where we're heading to. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? I'll let David go first. This is where I film the intro for my videos, the Cobra Rev. Slippery underfoot, I can't really get the power down, but you get the idea. Right, before I blow up the car, I'm going to stop. This is going to kill me, isn't it? Head tunnel, so I'll let David do all the flybys. I'm going to let the car cool down now, but there you go. That's my new exhaust. Sounds amazing. The other day. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for updates what I'm up to with this car. But for now, thanks for watching.